How to clean terracotta tiles. 10 pro ways for indoor and outdoor cleaning. Terracotta drinks. Porcelain absorbs under 0.5% of its weight in water. Terracotta absorbs up to 15%. That single difference is why every generic tile cleaning tip can actually damage this floor. Here are the 10 professional methods that work with the clay instead of against it. Method 1. Dry removal before any water touches the floor. Sweep daily and vacuum weekly. Wet grit turns into sandpaper the moment a mop drags it across the surface. Method 2. The weekly damp mop. pH-neutral cleaner in lukewarm water. Never hot. Heat softens sealers and leaves residue behind that just attracts more dirt. Method 3. Vinegar. Done correctly or not at all. It's safe only on a floor that passes the water bead test. Diluted heavily, rinsed immediately. Never on unsealed or handmade tile. Method 4. An alkaline deep clean once a year for neglected floors. Extracted with a wet vacuum rather than mopped. Mopping just spreads the dirty solution back around.
Method 5. Stripping old wax and failed sealers with a dedicated stripper. Left to dwell, then rinsed until the floor feels squeaky, not slippery. Method 6. A poultice for oil and grease. Baking soda or diatomaceous earth mixed to a paste, covered and left 24 hours. The drying pulls the oil back out. Method 7. Treating efflorescence, that white haze, by fixing the moisture source first. Brush the salt off dry, since water just carries it deeper. Method 8. Outdoor care for moss, algae, and tannins. A benzalkonium-based patio cleaner for algae, oxygen bleach for leaf stains, and never bleach, which damages surrounding growth unevenly. Method 9. Pressure washing under 1100 psi only, with a wide fan tip held well back. Anything stronger erodes the fired surface permanently. And Method 10. Sealing and resealing. A penetrating, impregnating sealer for almost every floor. Reapplied not on a fixed schedule, but whenever your water bead test starts to weaken.
The biggest mistakes? Never mix cleaning product types. Alkaline and acid cancel into a sludge that clogs the pores permanently. Never flood the floor. Damp mopping always beats wet mopping. And never steam clean sealed terracotta. The heat drives moisture straight into the pores and lifts the sealer from underneath. Test the seal, match your cleaner's pH to the job, use less water than feels natural, and protect the surface before problems start. If you're ready for a full floor refresh, check the Lush Loom link in the description. See you in the next one.